How do I become the transformation that is beginning to happen? Heather Ensworth, on her YouTube channel, interviews Rory Duff. Heather says that we are at a time when we're coming back to remembering who we are and who we are meant to be. Rory shares how there's an element of awareness that is growing where the veils of the world are coming down. As the veils come down, something begins to happen within us. It is actually our range of perception that is increasing, so that we can begin to see other realities. He says stepping into heart-centeredness can heighten awareness and widen our perception, so that we're better able to receive communications. Now is the time to surrender and come back to group consciousness that I mention also in A Story from Mu. Heather added that ancient cultures felt these energies and were much more in tune with them. The Aquarian Age is about reconnecting with the living energies of the universe and the awareness that everything is energy and everything is interconnected. The more you surrender, the more power you will feel. What is helpful to raise one's vibration is detoxing. In other words, cleanse the physical level and heal the emotional level. Abraham Hicks shares, I see a new world erupting because I see the expanded version of life as a result of mass consciousness. If you had an inkling of the magnificence you lined up for yourself in your vortex, you would not put up with even one negative conversation. You would not utter a complaint. You would frame yourself into complete vibrational compliance with who you really are. So it's time to retrain ourselves into positive thoughts and positive ways of being, and eliminate as much negativity from our life as possible. By keeping our vibration high, we can join with others in bringing forth the transformation of consciousness.